guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's not how you start the video. Anyways, I can always cut this out.
Such pretty fine girl. I did Angela. I want to make her my queen, cause she rock my world. Put you on a pedestal.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review from ZRQ hair, and they were so nice. They sent me some dreadlocks, so yeah, baby, it's the locks for me. It's the locks for me. And my lovely assistant here, I'm kidding, my friend is going to be doing my hair for me because I don't know how to do my hair clearly. So yeah, stay tuned and watch me go from 0 to 100 real quick. Okay. So she's done. This is the braid pattern. I guess we'll see how it's gonna look out there. Oh, I gotta kink my neck. Oh, did you hear that? I just crooked my neck. Was very ugly. Hey, my neck just likes to do every day. Should we take a food break? But yeah, this is the braid pattern. Angie, get into it. Pack number 3. There's 5 packs that we're using, so hopefully it filled my hair. Ooh. 36-inch. Watch how I slay. Ooh, Rapunzel, Rapunzel. Let down your locks. The way to the booty. The booty.
I should have recapping your hair.
You know when you get your hair done and you don't know how to act? Watch, baby, because you won't be able to recognize me. Gentility or share stupidity.
What did she say?
Hey, I need light though. So I ended up buying one more pack of hair to make it 6 packs of hair because I have so much hair in my head. So this was it after 6 packs. Overall, I really do like the hair. You know, sometimes it will get in places it don't belong, but the hair is really cute. So I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. See y'all next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anife. This is my crackhead for you. What's our drink first? No. Not smoothie, not food. This one now. Or what is this design called? It's Louis, right? It's fake money, you know. Working like it's real. That one is Louis. What is this called? Versace. Let me see your Versace. You know, I don't. Yeah, because connected together. Nepa is back.